Welcome. In this video we are going to show you a Power BI report which contains the monitoring data of analysis services with Java Framework. This Power BI report consists of 4 sheets. The first one is focused on queries analysis, the second one on users, and the last 2 on usage. The queries tab is focused on the queries carried out on the cube. The bar chart on the left hand shows the queries that have taken the most time and the user who executed them. The bar chart at the top right corner shows the 3 hours in which the number of successfully executed queries was the highest. The 2 charts at the bottom show the number of queries by date and the average completion time respectively. The aim of this sheet is to identify the period in which the activity of the users was the highest, as well as the heaviest queries. All this information can be filtered by date and server name. In the Users tab, we are going to focus on the users. At the left-hand side, the users are listed along with their number of sessions as well as the average query time ordered descendantly by the number of sessions. The bar chart at the top shows the top 10 users whose average query times were the highest. The bar chart at the bottom shows the relationship between the average query time and the number of sessions. This sheet analyzes the activity of the users in analysis services. All this information can be filtered by date, server name, and user. The usage and the outlier sheets are focused on the usage patterns of the cube. In the Usage tab, the radar chart gives us information about the exact time in which the activity was the highest. Moreover, the bar chart of the left-hand side shows the comparison between the duration, the distinct number of users, and the number of impersonated queries by date. In the Outliers tab, the atypical queries durations by users are identified. In order to do so, we have used 2 plots. The first one on the top is a box and whisker plot that analyzes the queries time by user. The second one on the bottom is a scatter plot showing the number of queries and their average time. Finally, there is a filter by which you can get the number of queries whose execution time is greater than the second selected. All this information can be filtered by date and server name.